Da-da-da. All right, where's my music? Let's go. Oh, I know which one. There we go. This is the one I want to start off with today. Let's go. What's up, guys? Good morning. Let's get this show on the road here. What's up, Lolo Rod? What's up, Benny? What's up, guys? Watch this is fucking fireballs today. No joke. No joke. Watch this is fire today. Kicked ass today. So far, good morning, Night Owl. Let's go. Let's get it. This is what I'm talking about right here.
I've been driving all night, man, sweat on the wheel.
I'll blow that this time. Good, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go. You guys hear me okay? Sure you guys could hear the music okay? How about them stocks today, man? Jeez. Yeah, we had some good movers this morning. I gotta move you guys around. It's hard to see you guys. Stuff going on here. Oh, too much stuff. Why won't you let me go? Sector. There. So much bad. What you guys been watching, huh? You want some good stocks or some good movers? You guys saw. What's up, Tam Master? Can you hear me okay? Everybody, sound check, check me out. What's it all about? You guys hear okay? 1 for yes, 2 for no, 3 for who gives a shit. What's up, Elias? What's up, Benny? Richard. Roger. What's up, Simon? Hell yeah, that's good. Sounds good. Music good. You guys can hear the music too? I'm fucking rock and rolling here. I'm telling you. I've been up since 12:45. 12:45 babysitting XOS. I'm so glad I did. It scared me off a little bit right here though. Yep, it's all right. I made good money on it today. It was a good move. Made money on this one. Made money on a couple others. PFSA, freaking beast. XOS, beast. WTO, beast. SGL Live, beast. Guys, it's penny stock fucking Tuesday. It's penny stock fucking Tuesday. Gotta get some fucking fireballs in the chat. Let's go. Radar Love. Oh yeah. Oh, this is such a good sign. One of my favorites. Radar Love. We can hear, but drops a little sound. Digital like too far away. All right, let me drop that down a little bit. Is that better? Whoa. What the? Front door. You guys still there, right? My screens just went freaking twitchy on me. Ah, Norris Adam. Norris Adam, I can't give you an entry. No, sir. No, sir. This is just for, education and masturbation purposes. Just kidding. Oh man, XOS, man, you should have had it back here, but this is a good support level right here. 450 is a good support for this. No worries. We're good, man. We're good. So yes, again, all you got to look at is you got to look at your support levels, right? 450 is a solid area of support. It was a solid area of resistance right here, hit, okay, support there, again, support. So as long as we're above volume weighted average price, we should be okay. Support level, make sure you have good volume. Okay, this was a double top right here. This was a double top. Freaking A, man. So if anything, if it can bounce here, you might get 504 again, you know. But again, this is all just speculation on stocks and reading the levels. That's really it. It's just reading the levels. Let's see if we can find something else though. And I'm so freaking wired because I've been up so long. I'm standing up. I'm at my desk and standing up straight up like a flagpole. Just kidding. SXTC, man. I just don't trust this little guy. SXTC. I just don't trust SXTC. This thing is known to dump and dump and dump on people. This isn't the first time it's done it. This thing has done it several times. So it did a nice little reverse split here. Look back here. Look what it did. It fucking completely reversed. See, so 450 worked out great. It's got some good move here. Just needs to break through this little guy here, 4.73. So that just needs to break through there. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm eating up my space here. Move that, get that out of there. Move that down here. All right. And if you guys haven't yet been to Jrockstocks.com, it's a good idea to go. Hang out, check it out. Oh, frick, did everything else go? Where's my... Sorry, guys. PFST North. PFST, yeah, PFST's got a lot of good to it. A lot of good to it. Yep. PFST just got overtaken by XOS. PFST pulling back right now, pretty hard. PFST looking like, oh, let me turn this off. I was playing around. I wanted to see if this thing actually did a good job at calling stuff out. Here it did. Look, it did a little super trend up arrow. Yeah, don't trust these. I'm not a firm believer in super trend. I know there's a lot that love super trend. What I if anything, what I would do is I'd put on RSI and just watch RSI, but RSI recently hasn't been that much of a consideration for some of these penny stocks we play because they rally so hard. They rally. Do a little bit of Christopher Walken there. What the fuck is this? I never opened that. That's new. Alright, yes, so I caught PFST for 185, sold it, took my profits. Good job, Nick. That's what I'm talking about, buddy. Take your money and run. I did XOS this morning. Guys, I broke the red streak. Fucking did it. I broke the red streak today. I'm done trading. Like, I don't have any more money to trade with. I'm good. I broke the 7-day red streak. Can you fucking believe it? Now, I'm not going to tell you how much I'm up today. You guys got to wait for that video. But I'm telling you, following my rules, it's worked out. Me and you both broke the red streak. Nice, Nick. Good shit. I mean, today's a pretty good day. Today's a pretty good day for breaking red streaks. Oh, show. Let's get the much. All right. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. That is definitely positive. One. Yeah, 7 days. Jesus Christ. I'm red for last 2 weeks. Oh no. Do you know Ross Cameron? I don't know him personally. I've read his book. Yeah, well, listened to his book. I didn't read it, but I've listened to his book. I watched the guy. He's a good dude. He knows his shit. Now again, is Is his following the reason some of these stocks move? That's, you know, that's something we can talk about. Guys, hit the like, the follow, and share, please. Go to my videos and please hit those shares. I was very disappointed yesterday. We were on for a good period of time, I think an hour and like 15 minutes or something like that, and we didn't even come close to the amount of likes where I feel like I need to wake up in the morning and do a live. So, oh man, I don't ask for much. It's suspended. Oh, AMLX is suspended. Pending news, maybe? What you got? Oh, ahead of, okay. That was the 17th. Shares of Amylyx Pharmaceuticals rose after the company said it would disclose top-line results from phase 3 trial evaluating drug to treat a type of hypoglycemia. Now, hypoglycemia, that's blood sugar. That's high blood sugar. That's what that is if you don't know. Stock gained 15% to 24.58 in late trading on Monday. Shares were up 77%. They were up percent. Oh, fuck. It's too early. Amylyx said it would announce results Tuesday with plans to host a call with the management teams 8 a.m. EDT. All right, cool. That's good news. I'd keep an eye on this one then. That's for sure. You're so funny. I really try. Start and made 1,500, and again I'm at 0. No, man, Mr. Lonely, we gotta talk. You gotta send me a message. We gotta figure you out. Trust me, man. I'm so much better at figuring other people out than myself. I mean, shit. For those that have been with me for a while, you guys see it. I show you guys everything. I talk to you guys. I've been doing this a while, and I know what I do wrong. I just can't seem to get out of my head. Can't sleep. The bears will eat me. Oh man, this thing was fucking spot on though. That's amazing. So here's something I've worked on and worked on and worked on. I keep revisiting it. XOS user, yes. XOS, yep. Let me finish reading here. Okay, good. We're caught up on those. Night Owl, fire. Snowballs those are fireworks. Never mind. All right, guys, let's go. All right, so this is what I've been working on. Let's check it out. Don't get too excited. It's fucking fantastic, though. So I created a thing here on my website. No one gets to use it yet. I'm using it right now, and it's pretty fucking good. So I call it the profit. All right, you put in your ticker, current price, current volume, average volume, float, estimated borrow fee if there is any, and if you know the registered resell shares, you put that in there as well. You click either auto, pre-market, regular, or after hours, and under VWAC, then you hit run profit. Well, I ran it this morning. This is what it said about XOS. It said bullish. It said momentum score 98%, squeeze score 96%, confidence score 74%. Entry risk targets: entry 399, 428, stop 368, volatility band 11.18, take profit 1, 463, 2, 508, and 3, 564. This was run really early this morning, and XOS, guys, XOS, check it. What did it hit? Because it said 508, right? What was its top target there? Let's see. I don't know. I'm really proud of this thing that it actually worked. Top target is 564. It already hit target 1, 2, and came close to 3. 75% confidence score on TP2. 85% confidence score was on TP4. And what was the price when I threw this thing in? Let's see. What was the price when I threw this thing in? This thing was $4.21. I mean, how freaking rad is that, right? I don't know. If you're excited, put some I don't know, peaches in the chat. But once I get this thing completely dialed in, then you guys will have access to this as a member subscriber of Jrockstocks.com. All right, let's quit fucking around here. So, like I said, 450. And look, if you would have done that, if you would have said, okay, 450 sounds good, that's a good entry, right? Because I can't say that. I can't say that's a good entry, but I can say, hey, that's a good support level. You know, that is a good support level. And look what it did. Double topped, came down to 450, found some confidence here. This is consolidation. And then slowly started bumping up. And then boom, there's your new high. Look what this thing's doing. Look at this beautiful thing. Oh, God, I love it. I love it. I drew some lines earlier, but this thing's just trending up nicely. Guys, don't be fooled, though, all right? XOS, this sucker right here, yeah, it has an active ATM, all right? It has an active ATM, so dilution's there. All right, there's a dilution sitting up underneath this thing, ready to bite you in your ass if you're not fucking paying attention. Here's one breaking out again, TURG from yesterday. TURG. All right, so we already leveled this thing out. Look at it, it just hit 212 again. So here, just to give you an idea of what it did yesterday. So here we are. All right, here's yesterday right here. So kind of just consolidated, ran a little bit, consolidated, and boom. Let me get this to one chart because this is a little hard for you guys to read, I'm sure. There we go. How's that? Is that just so much better? Now let's go to TRUG. I can just click on it. Bum, bum, bum. Look at that. All right, so 212 was the gap. That was a gapper there. So let's see. Let's go to the 30-minute chart real quick. Let's see where it can go. It already hit 230. Look at this. Look at this. Look. All right, so it's got resistance right here. This is 231, 235. All right, breaks that resistance, and you're probably going to go up to about 259. So we'll say there's a target right there for you guys. 259. We'll call that number 1. Get that out of there. There's TP1. Your support on this is 212. That's your support right here. 212 to $2. That's your support level. All right, let me put that green there. Go ahead and change that to gray. Change that to gray. All right, it's a little cleaned up here for you. So here we go. Let's see. Is it going to break through this 235? Breaks through 235, you'll get 259 possibly, as long as that volume continues. Breaks that, you'll get 282. That's your TP2 on this one here. And then over here, where's it going to go after it gets TP2? If it can get TP2, well, there's a little bit of frustration going on right here, right? And it starts at about 318. So I'd say about 312, 313, something like that. 312. 312 sounds right. How you guys liking the videos? How you guys liking the honesty videos? And the newest one is the prop firm one. Let's see. It hit 5 right now. Yep. Low Rod. Thoughts on PFSA? It's pullback mode. It's in pullback mode. PFSA. There you go. So guys, just so you know, PFSA was on the watch list. SLGY was on the watch list. XOS was on the watch list. I'm telling you, if you're not getting the watch list, you're missing out, guys. You're definitely missing out. If you're a beginner, I'm telling you, go to jrockstocks.com, go to the Learning Center, and learn. That's free. It doesn't cost you a dime. Just it costs you some time. Sorry, getting messages from peeps. All right, thoughts on PFSA. Learning Center. Yep, go to the Learning Center on jrockstocks.com. Yes, sir. All right, let's see. PFSA. What do I think PFSA? Wow, I just went dyslexic again. So look it's at support right now. You don't want it to break that. A little bit's okay, but it's literally coming down. Yeah, it broke support right now. So once that candle closes, that's actually breaking support. If it closes below 940, if it closes below 940, your last stop there is 923, 924. This is your support zone. If that breaks, you can also make these little ones here just to give you a trend line to mark the trend. You can do this. This works fine too. You can do something like that to dial this in. You can go, because we're on a 1 minute. I typically like to do this off of 5 minute. It just gives you clearer lines. Look at this. So this is PFSA. So just hit that bottom one, hit that bottom one there. All right, now one more. You go off of this little guy here, and you go up here. So there you go. So now this is your support. This is your supporting trend line. This pushed hard. It pushed hard to 1287. I really hope people don't get caught up in this. And then came down to your support line here at about, what is that, 862. Basically, you're looking for this thing to regain momentum. Currently, it's still coming down. The MACD is not looking very strong there. I sold all but 5 shares. Oh, perfect, man. Perfect. That's great. Got to go to work. Thank you for having me on your feed. Norris, have a great day. I appreciate it. All right, so here you go. This is what we're getting into. We're getting into looking at what the hell this thing's actually doing. You can see there's a shit ton of resistance up here. This right here, this is literally bulls pushing it up, bears smacking it down really hard. There's a lot of crap going on in here, right? Because I said that's the zone, and these are your trend lines. So right now it's bouncing off your support zone. Nice bottom wick. Needs to close green. Closes green, you've got yourself a nice little hammer candle off of a little downtrend. Little downtrend here. Doji, that tells you a little bit of something's going on there, trying to reverse. Then you got a hammer also trying to reverse. The hammer, it hammers out the base with the bottom wick. So the hammer consists of the body, which is this, and a wick that's 2 times the size of the body. Well, there you go. That's 2 times the size of the body and then some. So that is a hammer candle. Typically bullish in this situation, but if it was in an uptrend, it's bearish. Just saying. Let's see. I'm gonna see what the prophet says about PFSA. All right, current price we got 961. 961 volume. We got 8.58 million. 858. Average volume we got 143,000. 950. Woo! Baby. Rock and roll. What's the float? The float is 252,000 or so, Weeble says, right? Estimated borrow fee would just be 0 for now. Pre-market, yep, it's under VWAP right now. Run profit. Let's see what it says. Yeah, me. All right, it says bullish. 98% momentum, 70% confidence score. Squeeze score is 85, and we've got. All right. Well, there you go. Here, show you guys that. So the profit says we put in all that information. Again, we got bullish. We got 98% momentum score, 85 confidence score. 85 squeeze score, 70 confidence score, and we have entry 909 to 978. That's a pretty big difference. Stop loss 831. The volatility band 12%, so that's a little bigger than the other one was. TP1 is 1064, 79% confidence. TP2 1174, 69% confidence. TP3 1312, 57% confidence. Lead bullish driver is Profusa ounces 144 reverse stock split August 13th. Already did that. That's August 13th. That's August 13th. Ooh, options agreement for the acquisition of commercial stage diagnostic. What else we got here? NT10Q notification of late filing. Okay, look at that. It's at 993, 998, $10 right now. Look at that. So that's my profit, guys. That is what I've been working on. It is fucking amazing. It's got a pretty good read on the market. So far, the volume's 59.6 times that the volume has done what it's done. You guys fucking believe that shit? Let's go. All right, come on now. All right, who's faster? Who's ready? Night Owl, Tan Master, you ready on YouTube? Let's see, and then who's ready on TikTok? I'm gonna throw a number out here. I want to see who's faster. Come on now, who's ready? Somebody on Tickety Top, throw up. I'm ready. Pick me, Jay. Pick me. I'm just kidding. Come on now, let's go. Let's go. Okay, Indiana Steve, what's up, buddy? All right, so yes, ready. The number is 7. Let's see who's faster. Tommy Guns ready. Oh, Indiana Steve nailed it. Indiana Steve gotcha. So Tickety Talk is a little faster than the YouTube right now. There we go. Look at all those 7s. That means we're lucky. That means we're lucky today. All right, XOS is pushing at $5 again. PFSA trying to get back over that volume weighted average price. Volume weighted average price is at 1036. All right, let's see if we can find something new. XOS still. You guys got any questions on any tickers? Throw them in the chat. I'm Jimmy John Fast. That's what your girl said. Just kidding. I'm so sorry. Oh God, he's like my little brother. That's how I feel about him. All right, AUUD. Oh God, that was horrible. Sorry, 2 down. Sorry, buddy. You're Jimmy John Fast. Oh man, I wouldn't say that too loud. That you beat him. I wouldn't say that. Oh God, you beat him and you're Jimmy John Fast. All right. Okay. Yikes. All right, so AUUD. Come on now. AUUD. There we go. NASDAQ. Anybody else getting a kick out of that joke like I am? No? He beat him fast. All right, so AUUD is pushing up against its first take profit at 112. So this is AUUD. These are previous targets of support resistance. So they work. All right, so here it broke support. So technically, your real support's probably going to be somewhere back down here at 108, and then somewhere between $1 and 108. Nah, they won. Did you play my Phillies pick? Dude, I have not done anything except house shit. Mine and uncle's. TRUG, Indiana Steve. TRUG. Let's get back to it here. TRUG. So again, 259, 282, and then 312. Looks like it's trying to get back up there right now. There we go. Let's see TP1 come in right now. This is a 5-minute chart, so it doesn't scare people off that much. Remember that 250 is going to be a little bit of a hard time to get through, but you're at 223 right now. And TRUG plays with your emotions, so you know, I wouldn't go too nutso on position size on stuff like this. But yeah, so 259, 28. Yeah, you know what? Take that 259, 257. I don't know why. I just luck-wise, I feel like a 7 looks way better there than an 8. Now, if I was, I think Chinese, I think they like 8s and 5s. I think they think they're good luck or something. All right. Let's go, guys. Thanks, Tan Master. Thanks, Night Owl, for always holding down the fort at on YouTube. Guys, let's go. We got to get some sharing going. We're at 35. I saw some newbie yesterday talking about stocks and shit. In the evening, he had fucking 50 people in his live, and he was a noob. Like, the stuff he talked about was all noob. So it kind of breaks my heart that I have 38 people in here, and I've been doing this for fucking 2 years. I'm not crying, you're crying. You shut up. Alright, let's keep on going. I need some coffee. I ran out. I need coffee. I'll be right. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Okay, you got your levels on TRUG. Now let's see them. Let's see them hit. Okay, let's spread it. Let's gap it. Let's spread it and gap it. Let's go. Be right back. 2 seconds. All right. I don't know if you guys follow the videos that I put out, but I put out a little market update today. Before I came on, we got a couple things going on today where, you know, I'd be looking for AI Chinese stocks to make a little movement today. Go ahead and check out my. Oh, there you go. AMLX opened up. There it is. Look at that. With that news. Yep, there it is. Let's see. Where is this gonna do? What is it gonna go? What's it gonna do now that it's opened up? Let's see. Remember, they had data they were presenting on a conference call. All right, so let's see. We got 34. I think 34 is a good spot. We got 39. That could be possible. I don't see any gaps, but I do see 42. 42 feels good. No gaps, no gaps, no whammies, no whammies. All right, that's as high as it's been. It's got some good news, it seems like. Possibly, you know, there's a good little push there. Let's look at the 30-minute here. That was your 4-hour chart. So I went off the 4-hour chart on this one to get the higher levels of resistance. these tend to work better. So usually on a stock like this, it just opened up, and it opened up freaking what, $3 up. So you gotta wait for a pullback. You gotta let this thing work itself out before you go and do anything crazy. All right, so off a 30-minute, now we can get some a little tighter levels. All right, tighter levels. I wanted those high ones there because, well, it helps. All right, where am I? I'm in the 15s. Oh yeah, I want to be in the 30s. There we go. There's 29s. Any gaps we can find up here in the 30-minute range? Oh, there you go. Look at that. There's a gap right up there. I don't see any other ones. No gaps. All right, so now we're going to look for support, right? We got to find some support. Here's a solid area of support. That is a solid area of support. You've got some closer resistance sitting about 32 bucks. All right, so we'll call that TP1. There we go. We'll call that TP2, depending on the amount of motion that it wants to put out. You got a little bit of resistance there at 30.85. But there you go. You got TP1, TP2 on the screen. You got support way down here, sitting at about 27 bucks. I'd wait. I would wait before I do anything crazy on this. Let it sort itself out. You know, depending on how good that data is, maybe it'll fill this gap. Tap, 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 and go back up. But that's what I'm thinking. We'll see what happens. All right, there is a gap up here. All right, so just go ahead and make that purple. Whoops, wrong one. Shit. My bad. This one is the gap. About 40 bucks. There we go. And this one's just sunset. Look at that. Gap fill. Let's see what it does. There's a gap fill. Let's see. Is it going to hit this 26? 27 bucks. Oh, it already did. It tapped it. Look at that. Tap, tap, taparoo to my 27 bucks. Lady Godiva. Go, 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 go. Stopping me. Oh, sorry. Sorry. CDT. All right. TRUG coming back down 210, 212. Having such a good time. CDT. God, that's hot. All right, CDTG. All right, you got resistance where it's at right now, obviously. I was there yesterday at market open. Just did a reverse split back on June 1st. All right, right about there. Got a little bit of something. So that's number 2. This one right here would be number 1. That regains that momentum. Support on this would be right about here. There's your support. You got your chart lined out here on a 30-minute. Oh god, my bad. Yeah, let's see. All right, let's take a look-see. So now we go on a 5-minute. It's a nice little uptrend with a lot of pressure up here at 371. Look at that. So the target was 382. There we go, 2. So we put that up. This was after the fact, after we saw this. So Just needs to break through this 325. That's your solid area resistance right now. I don't like the fact that it's under the volume weighted average price right now. It needs to pull itself up by its bootstraps. It's a 2.84 million float. It's done 1 million in volume on 487 average. So you're so funny, 2 down. You're hilarious. Yeah.
You really got me now. You got me so at night.
I did. It's $42. You got to be careful on that one as well. Got to be careful on Weto. Oh man, TRUG hit yesterday's targets. That's funny. Hit them again after that pullback. Yesterday it hit the targets. Today it hit the targets again. It even got the extended targets on TRUG. So you guys can see where your resistance is, right? You got 43 over here. What do you think this is going to be? 43. Duh. All right. So Weto, W-E-T-O, or Weto? Hey, I'm a Weto. Oh, man. I was thinking 2 down. I thought you were calling me a Weto. You better knock that shit off, bro. Oh, man. Ah, fucking hell. All right. All right. So, again, with Weto, be careful. They just did the 1-for-100 reverse split August 3rd, and now has an estimated float of 1 million. As you guys can see, it's 1,000,006 on Webull. And Friday went absolutely nuts. So right now it's going absolutely bonkers. There is a major filing. Weto has an effective shelf. So if you don't know what a shelf is, watch my Understanding Pennies series and you'll understand what a shelf is. Let's see, July 6th, a 424B5. If you don't understand what a 424B5 is, look it up. Go to my profile and go into Understanding Pennies into my playlist, and you'll understand what a 424B5 is. So yeah, registration tied to 19 million ordinary shares for selling holders has also been reported. Do not chase this fucker. Just because it's moving. There you go. So technically, it completely obliterated the targets. The targets were fucking obliterated. It did fan-fucking-tastically. Wait a second. I thought I updated this shit yesterday. That's what I do? Nope. All right. So $43. That's your resistance. Next stop's going to be 47. There's your target. I know, it's dicey, but this thing's got momentum up the assets. It's got momentum up the assets. Let's go. You know what? I'm going to plug this in while we're just hanging out. Bullshit. I'm going to plug this into the Prophet and see what the Prophet says. Ooh, hey. Ooh.
Starts when you're always afraid. The man come and take you away. You better stop Yeah, what's that sound? Everybody know what's going down. Stop. What's that sound? Everybody know what's going down. Stop. Now, what's that sound? Everybody know what's going down. Stop.
No. Come on, baby. Break through that 43 with some fucking force. Let's see what it says. All right, the profit says 91% momentum, bullish, obviously. Squeeze score 71%, confidence score 67%. TP1 4630, TP2 50, and TP3 5489. That's what it says. They just do a 6K? Was there a 6K they pumped out? They may have pumped out a 6K. If you don't know what that is, go watch Understanding Pennies. Oh, man. Let's see. Did they pump out a 6K? What's up, guys? Hit the like, the follow, and the share. Let's go. I don't know what's going on. We had more yesterday. Today we're a little low. What happened? Did somebody fart? Nope. Yeah, this thing's at least not showing a 6K. Fucking 10 months ago they posted a 6K, but that's it. I wonder if my my profit, newest filing on deck. What is the date? What is the date of this thing? Oh, no shit. There we go. So yeah, Form 6K for month of August 2026. Look at that. No shit. On August 11th, We Tour Robotics Limited entered into certain securities purchase agreement with 7 purchasers. Oh, okay. All right. So just be very cautious. Yep. If you don't know, you got to find out. I'm not going to sit here and tell you. Especially, so specially. All right. How we doing on these little guys here? Trug still holding $2, so that's good. 211 right now. We're watching Wedo. PFSA still pulled back 941. SGLY down to 606. AMLX broke down hard 2690. AMLX boom, broke down hard, broke down past the support. Once it breaks down through support, becomes resistance. This was the next support. Right here, you can see it bounce there. You can see it bounce there. Bounced again. If it breaks that support, then you're probably looking somewhere closer to $23.99. And that would really suck, because that means that they pumped the news, released the news, dumped all of it. The algos jumped in. The people got psyched out. They got scared. They're like, fuck this, I'm taking my profits. Boom, dropped, right? Found support, 25.66. now pushing 27.21. It's not a low float. It's 94 million share float. These pullbacks, guys, they're real. They're nutso right now. Let's see, SLGY's trying again. Let's see, how's this volume? 15,000 so far. 18, yeah, I don't know. She's got a lot of resistance, as you can see. SGLY, these red lines. She got resistance. Everywhere resistance. You know what I mean? DFSC again pushing. DFSC after that sell-off from a couple of days ago, 389. Pushing back up right now. Let's see if I can get back over that 250. Breaks 250, you might be able to get about 272 on DFSC. Watch me explode. All right, any questions on any tickers? Let's go. What do we got here, guys? 32 of you in here. Interesting. No one's in here. No one's in here that's a moderator. Ah. My moderators are not in here. What's up, Vince 1979? Yep, you said DFSC a minute ago. Yep, probably down here at 214. That's when you said it. None of my mods are in here. What is going on here? No Creed. All right, well, it's looking like we're going to be going over to the Discord here in about 5-6 minutes. YYAI pushing up again. 5-minute chart just broke through its previous resistance. Did a reverse split. Did a reverse split just yesterday. YYAI pushed up to 190. So currently it's pushing up against 170, which is back here where it was. Right there. You see that? Resistance right there. Oh, son of dynamite. 30 minutes. Let's see. 30 minutes. Where are we at? Got a lot of resistance up here. Used to be support. I'd say that's about your TP1 there, 208. What's up, Mitchell? Hey, buddy. How you doing, pal? Did you smack on that watch list or what? Did you tee off on it, buddy? Fuck, that thing was just beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's go. Break 172. Let's get 208. Almost every night. If you guys smacked on that watch list, throw some fireballs in the chat. Throw some, I don't know. Throw some stuff in there. Man, I'm tired. Oh, and 2 down. Hey, thanks, Abu Adam. Thank you for the hearts, me. Appreciate you. Glad to see you in here. There we go. Thank you for sharing the live. Guys, that's what we need right there. We need you guys to share the live. The live isn't shared, people don't know I'm on. Come on, man. I'm looking. Freaking YYAI, man. This float is just ridiculous. Oh yeah, 2 down. Yeah, don't tell me what to do at freaking 12:45 in the morning. Don't tell me go to sleep. What are you thinking? Oh, thanks for following, Raha. I missed the rest of your name. It was too fast. It disappeared. Let's see. That was... All right, 4:57. Looks like we're going to be going to the Discord here in just a second. You guys can catch me live Monday through Friday. I know, right? Oh my God! Here we go with 2 down, and 2 down wants a cookie. Everybody put in the comments. Put a cookie. Give 2 down a cookie. He wants some recognition that he called Wedo, and before it jumped $13. Let me go find here. Hold on. Let me go find a cookie. Hang on. Let me see. Oh my God. Oh, you are a cookie. You're a little cookie. Yeah. I'm gonna call you Cookie from now on. You were cat shit. Hey, did you notice I gave you some emojis? On the Discord? Come on, baby. Let's go. You changed your name, yeah, and then I gave you 2 emojis. I gave you cat shit. Look at that. Search Experience Explorer. He gave you fortune cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and some coffee. That's a nice guy right there. Let's get it. Remember, all these stocks that we play, guys, pretty much every single one of them has fucking dilution sitting up underneath it. Yep, AMLX, $27. Yes, sir. Yuck is spelled just Y-U-K, not Uke. Okay, buddy? Get it right. I know. It's your first time. All right, guys. It is that time, 4:59. If you guys want to go to the Discord with me, then you got to become subscribers to Jrockstocks.com. You got to go into the plan there. Whoops, not that one. I can't show you that again. All right, you go here. You go to Jrockstocks.com. You go to Jrockstocks.com. Okay, you go there. All right, you click on pricing or the watch. So let's look at it. It's $49.99. I mean, come on. You guys wipe your ass with $100. I know you do. $50 is nothing. All right, you get everything. Discord access. You get watch list entries. Exit. Take profit 1, 2, 3. You get extended targets. You get, I mean, you name it. You get it. So here, look. There's August 14th. This is how the watch list looked. August 14th. AKAN, there's your entry. There's take stop, take profit 1, 2, and 3. Extended targets. Some catalysts right there. MGRX. ONFO. No way. ONFO was on here? Nuh-uh. Really? Yeah, it was on here, and it was at 325. And my top target was 650. Yeah, extended targets. Yep. And it also warned. It also warned you. Says that makes this a potentially violent low supply momentum trade, but also a high risk setup. Huge risk on this setup right here. I even did a video on it. I even told you guys it's a fucking grenade. XHG, that's another good one, right? AKAN, XHG, MGRX. God, fucking amazing. Anyways, go to jrockstocks.com, go to pricing, click this, and it'll be it. All right, if you don't know anything about me, go to the home page here and read the reviews. There are a bunch of them for you to read. I do not pick and choose what you get there. If you're curious what my record looks like, well, this is what my record looks like, okay? Weekly Discord alerts, August 10th through 14th. There we go. Come on, YYAI. Fucking get up there, damn it. 140. Get that 170 again. So 170 is your target right now at the 140. All right, the 170. All right, anyways. So here you got how the Discord did. 66.7% accuracy. 15 alerts, 10 hit. All right, this was a slow week. I wanted to be careful. Didn't want to fuck up. There's a lot of shit going on. So there you go. I posted 520 watch list since I started July 13th, 2024. My Weevil prediction 77.9% on a total of 1,398 predictions. TP1, so this is the watch list results here. So TP1 accuracy 66%, tickers called 35, and this gives you the receipts right here. BIAF, Abu Adam, BIAF. BIAF, here you go. All right, so BIAF, you got a gap 65 cents. That is your target right there. 65 cents. You've got resistance sitting strong here at 56 cents. All right, so once it hits that gap, then you got another gap at 68. There's your next gap right here. All right, and then you got another one at 71. I like this one better. 7777. 7777. That's your far gap there. And it triggers most of these. Then you've got a good possibility of getting 97 cents. Careful with this one. She has been very playful in the past. She's screwed a lot of people in the past. This is your support. Right there, support's about 52 cents. It breaks that support. You're probably going to come down to 46. Here's your next support right here. All right, there you go. All right, so you guys are lined out. I'm going to go over to the Discord now, and I will see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. Look at that. We got 16,000 likes. We have 5 new followers. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Abu Adam, always appreciate you, man. Thanks for being a mod. You're awesome, dude. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Peace. See you tomorrow at 4 a.m. Night Owl, Tan Master, you guys know I love you guys. Thanks for holding down the fort there on YouTube. Tan Master, are you a part of the Discord yet? Off to Discord, Night Owl. Thank you. Tan Master, are you part of the Discord yet? If you're still on there, I don't even know if you're on there still.
Oh, you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue sky from pain.
Night Owl, you pre and then get Tan Master. You know, that'd be great. Get on it. All right, go into the Discord. Peace out.
A smile from a fan.